Here I have Samsung Galaxy M14, and today I'm going to show you how to wipe cache from this device. So to do this, firstly you have to turn your device off by holding down power key, and after it turns off completely you have to hold down combination of keys, power key plus volume up at the same time for a couple of seconds like this. After the screen turns on and you can see Samsung logo appeared, you have to release power key and keep holding only volume up, just like this. In the following menu, you have to use volume keys to navigate and power key to select, and select an option Wipe Cache Partition, and then select Yes. After you see the message Cache Wipe Complete, select an option Reboot System Now, and after that your device will be restarted just as usual. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.